Okay, and here we're just going to talk briefly about mass and weight and how to calculate those. So let's say that you are on Earth. Here you are on the left. There's dolphins and tacos. That's Earth. So what we have here, let's say you had a mass 50 kilograms, you're a skinny person despite the tacos, and we wanted to find the force of gravity on Earth. Okay, well, we call force of gravity weight. It's just another word for it. The equation we would use is mass times g, and on Earth, a very constant g of 9.8. So if I wanted to solve for your weight on Earth, I would do Fg equals m is 50, g is 9.8, and I do math and I get 490 newtons, okay? Now, if I were to take you and I were to take you to Mars, okay, so here you, okay, never mind, this app is still annoying. I'm just going to draw you. So here you are, over on Mars, having a day, okay? There's Matt Damon, he's lost. Over here, you would still have the same mass, okay? Unless you, like, pooped, cut your hair, something like that, you have the same amount of stuff in your body, okay? Unless you chew off your own hand, like, I don't know, it's got to be gruesome. You have the same mass. However, your weight on Mars would be different because that acceleration due to gravity is different. It's no longer 9.8, it's actually much lower. So instead of that 9.8, on Mars, it would be 3.18. You don't need to know that fact. If I were to ask you kind of a question about something going on Mars, I would give that to you. But the important thing to know is your mass is not going to change, okay? Unless you drastically alter yourself, your mass is not going to change. Your weight will change depending on where you are. The other really important takeaway from this is if you ever in a problem know mass and you're on Earth, then you know the force of gravity or weight, okay? A lot of times people forget that if you know one, you have the other. And the way you can always go between them is Fg is equal to mg. That is definitely one for your note card. Okay, have a nice day.